my name is Ken with sledtrack.com, and today we're going to do an overview on the Camso 9040H, H is for high performance, Ripsaw Snowmobile track. This is the original chopped lug Ripsaw design, which has the aggressive angle profiles, which really has outstanding forward and lateral bite on groomed trails. The narrow lug base, it provides less rolling resistance for a great top end speed on your performance snowmobile. These are durable lugs. These tracks, this design has been around for a while. There's no issues. This particular 9040 is a 128 by 15 252 pitch 2-ply track, so this is a good candidate for studding if you choose to do so, because it's a 2-ply. It weighs approximately 41 pounds. Now, one thing to note, the 9040 does have the proper clips for Arctic Cat configured snowmobiles that require it. If your sled has a diamond drive, you will need this track. So if you have any questions on your Arctic Cats for this particular application, give me a call at the phone number or send an email through the site. Some of those Arctic Cats are a little fussy on which tracks you can put on, okay? So again, the 9040H. Thank you.